Hello and welcome to a new tutorial. This is Daisy. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you everything you need to know before you start sublimating t-shirts. Also, I'm going to show you how to sublimate your first t-shirts. First, we're going to talk about the equipment and materials that we're going to need to start sublimating t-shirts. We're going to need a printer with sublimation ink. I have converted and set up an Epson EcoTank ET 15000 into a sublimation printer, and I am using Hippo sublimation ink. If you would like to learn how to convert and set up an Epson EcoTank into a sublimation printer, I invite you to check for my tutorial in my channel. I'm going to leave you that link in the video description down below. Sublimation paper. It is very important to use a high quality sublimation paper. I use A-Sub sublimation paper, and I am very happy with its quality and price. Also, this paper won't leave any wheel marks after printing. And to transfer the printings to the t-shirts, we're going to need a heat press. I am using a 15 by 15 inches 2C brand that I bought from Amazon. Also, we're going to need butcher paper, heat resistant tape, lint roller, and of course the t-shirt blanks. The t-shirts that we need for sublimation must be mostly polyester. 65% polyester above work best. Also, these ones must be in white or very light color. I ordered these polyester t-shirts from Amazon, Walmart, Hobby Lobby, Cricut, and Jiffy Shirts. In the video description down below, I'm going to leave you the list and links of all the products used in this tutorial. We're going to start working with the design that we are going to print. But before, I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel, like my video, and press the notification bell. I'm going to work with the design in the free graphic design program Inkscape. If you would like to give it a try, download it from inkscape.org. I will leave this link in the video description down below. I'm going to use this design that I created. If you would like to use it, I invite you to visit me on my website for the free download. I will leave this link in the video description down below. Now that you have Inkscape installed on your computer, open it. The canvas will look like this. Whatever we put inside the rectangle will be printable. First, we're going to select the paper we're going to be printing. You will be able to change the size on the right side window. If you don't see it, go to File and click on Document Properties. Now here is the window. Now you can select the paper that you are going to be printing. I'm going to select letter size and orientation landscape. Now to insert the image, we're going to go to File and click on Import. Select the picture that you wish to use and open it. And here we're going to click OK. This image is on high resolution, therefore it's going to be big. To resize, select the image, go to the size bar above, and select inches. Click on the lock, and here instead of 33 inches, we're going to resize it to 11 inches. Select the design and place it in the rectangle. If it looks bigger than the rectangle, resize it using the arrows around the picture. If you wish to print with a specific measurement, go to the size bar above and input your measurement. Let's say we need a 5 inches wide picture. Type 5 and ready. I will resize it to fit the letter size page. Now that it's ready to print, let's go to File, click on Print, select the printer you're going to be using, and if you have not set the printing preferences for sublimation printing, click on Preferences. It will open another window, and here in Paper Source, select the one that you are going to be using the most. It can be cassette, paper tray, or auto select. In document size, select the one that you are going to be using most. I will leave it letter size. In orientation, I will leave landscape. In paper type, select premium presentation paper matte. In quality, select high. Select print preview and then go to more options. Here is very important to select mirror image. For sublimation, we must always print mirror mode, most of all when we are printing text. Now click OK. If you would like to set up the printing preferences so you don't have to do this process every time you print, I invite you to look for my tutorial in my channel. I'm going to leave you that link in the video description down below. Now click on Print. And this is how it's going to look when printed. If everything looks okay, click on Print. And like I mentioned before, I'm going to be using a sublimation paper. This one is a good quality sublimation paper and it will not leave any wheel marks after printing. If you're going to charge the paper in the cassette below, this one must go with the printing side on the bottom. If your printing is a little dull or faded, don't worry. Sublimation ink activates with heat. Now we're going to transfer the design to the t-shirt. But before, we must place a piece of parchment paper inside the t-shirt. This to prevent staining on the back of the shirt. I'm going to cut 2 pieces. One for the inside of the t-shirt and the other one that I'm going to place on top of the design before pressing. Now, using a lint roller, we're going to clean the surface. Now we're going to transfer the printing. Align the design and secure it with heat-resistant tape. This to prevent ghosting while pressing. Don't forget to check the description down below because there I'm going to leave you the link for the free design and the list of the products used in this tutorial. Now let's go to the heat press. The time, temperature, and pressure depend on the material we're going to sublimate. On the back of the A-Sub sublimation paper box, you can find the heat guide. This t-shirt is 95% polyester and I will press it at 400 degrees for 40 seconds and medium pressure. When doing this process, we have to be very careful. It is recommended to use heat-resistant gloves. Before pressing, remember to place the other piece of butcher paper on top of the design. And like I said before, I'm going to press it for 40 seconds at 400 degrees. Now let's reveal the design. I just loved how it turned out. I love the colors, very vivid and bright. This Valentine's Day design is perfect to customize t-shirts or cushion pillows. If you like this design, don't forget to visit me on my website. There you may download it for free. I'm going to leave you that link in the video description down below. Also there, I'm going to leave you the list and links of the equipment and materials used in this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my video and press the notification bell. Thank you for your visit and I'll see you in my next tutorial.